The Samsung Galaxy S24 is expected to arrive earlier this time. There are already some rumors and leaks about it in the market, and in this video, I'll discuss all the rumors and leaks about it. Some of these leaks might get you excited, while others might disappoint you. Let's start with the rumor that the Samsung Galaxy S24 might be launched as the first AI smartphone. It's being said that it will have AI capabilities to instantly convert your calls and messages into your preferred language. Even if the person you're communicating with speaks a different language, you'll hear their voice in your own language. Additionally, it's rumored to have built-in software like ChatGPT, aiding in instant writing and other tasks, ultimately boosting productivity. This time, we might get the Samsung Galaxy S24 made from titanium. I'm not sure if all models will have a titanium build, or just the S24 Ultra. We'll need to wait a bit for confirmation. The use of titanium will make the phone look good, similar to the iPhone 15. It will have a matte finish, making it even more premium. The upcoming S24 seems to have much smaller bezels, almost half the size compared to the S23. When you look at pictures of the S22 and the upcoming S24, you'll notice a clear difference. This means you'll get a much larger screen with the S24. In terms of design, I have limited updates, but when it comes to the phone camera, there are some incredible changes coming. In the Samsung Galaxy S series, you could already record videos in 4K, but in the upcoming S24, even after zooming 4x, you can still record in 4K. If you record zoomed-in shots at concerts, you'll get excellent quality. In fact, you won't find this kind of quality in any other phone. The next camera update allows you to shoot a close-up and a full screen shot simultaneously. You'll have both a cropped and a full version of every video, saved separately on your Galaxy. Additionally, Samsung is introducing automatic subject tracking, based on AI. This feature will enable you to easily zoom and record fast-moving objects with AI assistance. Samsung calls it ISOCELL Zoom Anyplace. Samsung is able to do this because they're using a 200 MP image sensor with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 AI engine. Along with these updates, there's a slightly disappointing update in the upcoming S24. Instead of a 10x zoom, it will feature a 5x zoom. However, looking at the positive side, while the 10x zoom had a 10 MP camera, this one has a 50 MP camera. This means photos and videos will be crisp, clear, and detailed. From a personal perspective, a 5x zoom might be more usable than a 10x zoom. Everyone might have their own take on this. Additionally, there's some good news. Samsung is introducing a shutter lag in the S24. They're bringing in an end-to-end AI remosaic to achieve this. Earlier, photo processing used to happen one by one in a line after taking a photo, but with this improvement, it will happen simultaneously, making the processing faster. When it comes to the display, most aspects are expected to remain the same, but there will be some changes, like the brightness level. The S23 had 1750 nits, while the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 has been bumped up to 2500 nits, meaning you'll get an even brighter screen. Additionally, the S24 Ultra might have an even flatter screen, and there's a chance you might get a 144 Hz screen instead of the usual 120 Hz. Which would enhance the gaming experience. Now, let's talk about the processor. There's some sad news. Exynos CPUs are making a comeback. They'll be available in certain countries and in the base and plus models, while the Ultra model will stick to the Snapdragon Gen 3. The Snapdragon Gen 3 is better than its previous model and even surpasses Samsung's Exynos. Additionally, I feel that Samsung should pay attention to and improve certain aspects in these phones. For instance, battery backup. Despite having a 5000 mAh battery, these phones are quite large and powerful, so the battery drains quickly. Secondly, I'd expect Samsung to strive to surpass iPhone in video quality with the upcoming S24. For that, they'll need to work on their chip. That's my wish list. If you have any wish list items too, feel free to comment and let me know. Let's talk about the launching date and variants of the Samsung S24. Let's talk about the launching date and variants of the Samsung S24. The Samsung S24 series is expected to be announced around January 17th and become available for sale around January 25th. Normally, this launch used to happen in February, but this time it's happening earlier, possibly because Snapdragon launched their Gen 3 platform 6 weeks ahead of schedule. Regarding the variants, there was speculation that the Samsung S24 Ultra would have 16 GB of RAM and 2 TB of internal storage. However, these rumors turned out to be false. The storage and RAM will likely remain similar to the previous model, the S23. When it comes to pricing, the USA pricing for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is expected to remain mostly unchanged from the previous S23 series. However, in some countries, economic conditions and other factors might lead to price adjustments. As for the rumors and leaks surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S24 smartphone, these constitute the current information available. If any new updates emerge before its future launch, I'll be sure to keep you informed. To stay updated, consider subscribing to the channel. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please like and don't forget to subscribe.